Welcome to Co-Stars. I'm the drama merchant and I'll be your storyteller. This is my storytelling suitcase from which I will read to you the story and you will be my co-stars, using your voice to create vocal sound effects to bring the story to life. Whether it's roaring rockets, fluttering fairies or anything in between, every sound you make helps shape the narrative and enrich the experience. So gather round the suitcase and let your voices soar and prepare to embark on a storytelling adventure where you are the co-stars of the show. Now, today's story is a cosmic journey that will take us all the way to the moon and back. Today, we will dive into the thrilling world of Jules Verne's classic tale, From the Earth to the Moon and Back. But wait, before we blast off, let's warm up those voices and practice our amazing sound effects. Click, clack, hiss, screech, whir, scribble, 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 clang, bang, rumble, kaboom! Swoosh! Hooray! Zoom! Twinkle! Whoosh! Ooh! Ah! Boom! Vroom! Splash! Boing! Whoosh! Are you ready to be my co-stars? When you see these visual prompts, that's your cue to say them out loud. Ready? Let's get started. A long, long time ago, in a town with lots of clocks and steam, there lived a very smart inventor named Barbicane. His workshop was alive with sounds, the rhythmic click-clack of brass gears, steam pipes that went hiss, whistles that went screech, and marvelous inventions that went whir. Barbicane loved the moon. He wondered about its secrets and wanted to be the first person to visit it. He filled the night air with the scribble, scribble, scribble of his pencil as he made a plan and drew a picture of a spaceship and a really big cannon that used steam. He turned his lab into a giant cannon to shoot the spaceship all the way to the moon. Clang, clang, bang, bang, hiss, hiss. It was super noisy as he built his amazing inventions. When the giant cannon and the spaceship were ready, Barbicane and his friends, Mr. Nickel and Mr. Arden, climbed inside. The door went whir, whir, bang, click, clack, then snap. It was closed tight. Then a super big crane lifted the spaceship way up high. It put it right inside the giant cannon. Rumble, hiss. The cannon was getting ready. It was puffing and building up lots of power to shoot the spaceship to the moon. When everything was ready, everyone counted down together. 3, 2, 1. The cannon went kaboom! Swoosh! The spaceship flew out. It shot up, up, up into the night sky. The adventure had just begun. The universe awaited with its open arms. The spectacle of the launch dazzled the crowd below. Everyone cheered, hooray! As the spacecraft soared higher, leaving a trail of shimmering stardust in its wake, painting a path across the sky. The spaceship went zoom on its way to the moon. It flew past shiny stars that twinkle, fast comets that went whoosh, and space clouds with different colors. The crew aboard the spaceship marveled at the cosmic wonders surrounding them. Ahead, the moon awaited, silent and serene. Its gravity pulled and pulled the spaceship into orbit, welcoming its visitors. Whoosh! Around the moon they flew. Whoosh! Barbicane and his friends looked out the windows. They were so excited. They gasped in awe, saying, "Ooh!" and "Ah!" as they looked at the moon's surface and saw craters, canyons, and mountains, softly lit by the sunlight. In the distance, they saw Earth. It looked like a sparkling gem with swirling clouds and shining oceans. It showed the incredible beauty of their home. After traveling around the moon, Barbicane and his friends were eager to return home. Boom! They launched a rocket to escape the moon's orbit. Vroom! The spaceship zoomed like an arrow towards Earth. As they flew through space, Earth got bigger and bigger with each second. The spaceship glowed as it flew through Earth's atmosphere. It whooshed through the sky, leaving a bright, sparkly trail. It looked like a shooting star. Splash! The spaceship landed in the ocean with a big splash. Boing! A float popped out and the spaceship floated safely on the water. Soon, a cool steampunk ship came along with a big hot air balloon for sails and shiny gears and pipes that sparkled in the sun. The sailors were searching for what they thought was a shooting star. The captain was happy to help Barbicane and his friends get back to land. Their journey had been nothing but extraordinary. Click! Clack! Whir! Went the ship's engine as the vessel cut through the waves, towing the spaceship behind them. Back home, everyone had a party. They cheered for Barbicane and his friends. Hooray! They were so happy for their safe return. The adventurers told everyone about their trip to the moon and back. At the party was a boy named Jules Verne. He loved their story so much, he wrote it all down in a book. That book gave other people ideas about going to the moon. Maybe you will go to the moon someday too. So, that's all we have for you today. We look forward to the next storytelling adventure. Ta-ta for now.